Number 1. Living room garage. Imagine stepping into an apartment where the centerpiece is not a traditional piece of furniture, but rather a super sports car, showcased within a special glass box. This is the reality for residents of some exclusive Singaporean apartments. They feature a revolutionary living room garage concept, tailored for car enthusiasts who prioritize the safety of their automotive treasures. Avoiding the risk of street theft, the cars are transported to the apartment via a dedicated car elevator after being placed on a platform that selects the desired floor. The owner ascends in a separate human elevator. Upon arrival, they're welcomed by the sight of their prized vehicle already parked and on display in their living space, merging function with futuristic luxury. Number 2. Vizari. The Vizari Car Elevator has been uniquely designed for private homeowners who have underground parking facilities in their basements. This multi-level system enables the simultaneous parking of several vehicles. Functioning like other similar mechanisms, the car is driven onto a platform which then descends into the ground, efficiently saving space and securing the vehicle. Number 3. Ideal Park. Ideal Park presents a seamless parking solution tailored for private residences equipped with a basement. This sophisticated system features a spacious lift that smoothly transports vehicles to an underground space, effectively concealing them from view. The ingenious design ensures that, at street level, there is no visible indication of a garage, allowing for the space to be utilized in other ways, such as a garden path or a vibrant flower bed. With Ideal Park, homeowners can maximize their property's space without the garage footprint encroaching on their precious territory. Number 4. Gazebox. Introducing the Gazebox, a unique and personal mini sanctuary designed to resemble a transparent canopy that delicately falls around your space. This innovative garage solution can be effortlessly opened and closed with a simple remote control. It comes equipped with LED lighting along its perimeter for illumination and offers the option to enhance its functionality with additional features such as an air heater, alarm system, solar panels, a rain sensor, and even a vacuum cleaner. Developed and patented by an Italian firm bearing the same name, the Gazebox is straightforward to set up without the need for any special permissions post-purchase. Moreover, for those looking to customize their Gazebox further, there's the option to incorporate elements of wood, carbon, or aluminium into the design upon request. Number 5. Smart Parking Solutions. The automated parking robot represents a revolutionary approach towards tackling the challenge of insufficient parking spaces through its slender vertical design. This innovative solution promises not only to address space constraints, but also ensures complete safety for users operating it independently. Vehicle owners simply need to drive their cars onto a designated platform, which then transports the vehicle to the assigned level using a transportation lift. An external screen displays the parking slot number for the owner's convenience. Retrieving the car is as easy as entering the slot number on the screen, prompting the lift to safely bring the car down. Number 6. Adlink. Adlink introduces a cutting-edge automated parking solution that streamlines the parking process through the use of a smartphone app or dedicated computer software. Upon arrival, drivers are required to scan their smartphones at a designated device, allowing the system to assess the vehicle's dimensions and allocate the optimum parking spot accordingly. The vehicle is then driven onto a specialized platform that automatically positions it in the assigned space. To retrieve the car, users simply activate the process via the mobile application, ensuring a seamless and efficient parking experience. Number 7. Serva. Serva, an innovative robot, serves as the foundation for a groundbreaking technology designed to enhance parking efficiency. Through its ability to transform, Ray seamlessly adapts to the specific dimensions of a parked car, adjusting its size according to the vehicle's length and wheelbase. It utilizes advanced 3D scanning technology to quickly capture precise measurements of the car, which enables optimal positioning and space utilization within the parking system. This adaptive solution ensures that each vehicle is parked with maximum spatial efficiency. Number 8. VCharge. Volkswagen has unveiled VCharge, an innovative platform that empowers vehicles to autonomously locate available parking spots within a lot and initiate the recharging process for those that are hybrid or electric. Drivers simply need to arrive at the parking lot's entrance, exit the vehicle, and engage the parking system via a smartphone app. This triggers the car's onboard autopilot and data exchange systems, enabling it to receive a digital parking card wirelessly. The vehicle then leverages this technology to find the closest unoccupied parking space. Equipped with 360-degree cameras, ultrasonic, and various other sensors, the car independently navigates to the selected spot, effectively utilizing parallel, perpendicular, or diagonal parking techniques as required. Number 9. Car Tent. The car tent, while not a complete parking solution, offers excellent protection for vehicles in open areas where enclosed parking isn't an option. Designed to be mounted on a vehicle's roof, the tent is adaptable for different weather conditions. It effectively shields your car from the harmful effects of sun-induced overheating, as well as from rain, hail, and airborne debris. Number 10. Hikvision Parking Robot. In early 2017, the Hikvision Research Institute unveiled an innovative intelligent parking solution powered by sophisticated software and autonomous parking robots. These robots are designed to park vehicles in under 2 minutes, entirely without human aid. The process begins when the driver moves their vehicle into a designated area, which allows the robot to position itself beneath the car. After exiting the vehicle, the driver is given a unique identifier through a mobile app and a touchscreen interface located at the facility's exit. Utilizing this system, the robot assesses the parking lot to locate an available space and then proceeds to park the vehicle on its own. When the driver wishes to retrieve their car, they simply input the previously received number into the touchscreen, prompting the intelligent robot to return the vehicle promptly.